Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day to each and everyone. I'm Sunaya Kusingan and I'll be presenting to you the curriculum during Commonwealth period. What is important for us to go back and recall the past ag education of the Philippines. It gives us the glimpse of the past. We could learn from it. It will help you understand how the past event or laws shape the present acts, education system and theories. It will help you appreciate the law today. What is Commonwealth period? Commonwealth it is an organization of autonomous states that are united in allegiance to a central power but are not subordinate to it or to one another. The Philippine Commonwealth was the name of the Philippines when it was still controlled by the United States. Manuel L. Quezon was the first Filipino to head an elected government in the Philippines. Philippine educational system during Commonwealth period. All schools should develop moral character, civic conscience, personal discipline, and vocational efficiency. The method that used it is the memorization, recitation, and the social recitation. Philippine educational system during Commonwealth period can be described in the figure in this figure, which is the moral character. Moral character is the values. Ito yung the Commonwealth educational system during the Commonwealth period. Ito ay inatasan nila lahat ng mga school upang i-develop ito. Ito ay moral character, it is the values. The second one, it is the self-discipline, which is the controlling and motivating oneself. And the second one, civic consciousness. It is the social consciousness in terms of equal rights. And the last one is the vocational efficiency. It is the conservation of resources, both human and natural. Commonwealth Act number 586 Commonwealth Act number 586, this is known as Education Act of 1940. It was approved on August 7, 1940 by the Philippine Assembly, repealed by the RE 896. The law provided for the following: A. Reduction of 7 elementary course to 6-year elementary course. B. Fixing the school entrance age to 7. And the letter C. National support of elementary education. And letter D. Compulsory attendance in the primary grades for all children who enroll in grade 1. And the last one is introduction of double single session, one class in the morning and another in the afternoon under one teacher to accommodate more children. Commonwealth Act number 586 abolish grade 7. Next one, class in morning and afternoon. And the next one, class start from June to March instead of July to April. A teacher should manage section. Commonwealth Act number 180, Act number 2706 or Commonwealth Act number 586 repealed by RE 896. This was known as the Private School Law, which made obligatory the recognition and inspection of private schools and colleges by the Secretary of Public Instruction so as to maintain a standard of efficiency in all private schools and colleges in the country. Commonwealth Act number 180, Act number 270 or Commonwealth Act number 586 repealed by RA 896. This law was amended by Commonwealth Act number 180 passed on November 13, 1936, which provided that the Secretary of Public Instruction was vested with power to supervise, inspect, and regulate state schools and colleges in order to determine the efficiency of instruction given in the same. Other Commonwealth Act number 1, which is National Defense Act. It states that a preparatory military training shall be given to the youth in the elementary grade school at the age of 10, shall extend through college. Commonwealth Act number 80, which is the Office of Adult Education, and the Commonwealth Act number 589, which is Singing of Ceremonies. Republic Act number 896 that make grade 7 a one-session compulsory of completion elementary grades. Thank you everyone for listening.